Desmond, my husband, is a bona fide son of this family. Let Raphael understand that. Let him take his place in this family.
I know they threaten you. Normally, I know they threaten you. And they tell you as he be. Give me my own share of your profits. Is it hard to ask?
You can listen and listen real good. Next time you try that, I swear, a young girl.
If I come back here again, I swear with my life, I will burn down this company.
Whichever way you want to handle this issue, go ahead. I am solidly behind you.
His plan is to take all his father's property. But I tell you something today, it will not work.
Jane.
Not while I'm still alive. Just get out of my house. Jane, come back here and not down with you.
If you die without signing this will, Makachi, anywhere you go, I'll follow you. Sign the will now, is it hard?
Someone who caused his father's death, and he's not even remorseful about it.
Come and leave. Shameless man. That's what you are.
You will kill me today. Release my husband's stone.
Momsy, if that will is not read, no burial.
At all.
Now maybe the person where they give Wahala lift. If there's no will, no burial.
Do you want to tell me that you prefer wealth to your daughter's life?
First, let them bring back our daughter, then the will be read.
I totally disagree with you on this one.
Why?
Once this burial is done, my husband will not have rights over this will again. And I will not sit back and watch it happen.
Stop this, that's fun.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.